Hello! I got today this dotted journal book and it comes in this very elegant bag. Let's put it down. It's cardboard box. It has some decorations that you can use on it. Also, it comes with, the box has this colored pen, double head colored pen, and it has some patterns so you can like draw on it. Let's open it. These are the patterns. They're gorgeous, and letters and stuff like that. So you can decorate your journal. Let's remove this. Wow, it's like faux leather, PU leather. This journal belongs to, and you can write down your name, and it has dotted dotted pages, so you can do whatever design you wish to do, like that, or note, sun, month, Tuesday, and those are the rest of the days. It's gorgeous. It's really, really nice. Let's open this. I will draw something here. It has thin side and one other side that is wide. And I'm gonna just do like this. And this one here. Now, of course, you can choose any color for any line of these. I'm gonna use the orange for the lower lines here. Look at the result. And then I can add some designs here, like if I want to add some flowers. Let's have a look. Nice, very, very nice. And we can add this plant here. I'm doing this plant. This is amazing. You can decorate each paper however you want it to be. I really love this one. This is a very creative gift for anyone that you think are creative and will enjoy creativity. And let's grab this one and add this like that here. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching.